Hello everyone. Today I will tell you what is a diode and how to use it. So, what is a diode? Diode is a electronics component which can allow current to flow in only one direction. It cannot allow current to flow in other direction. So, here is a symbol of diode. There is two sides, one called anode and one called cathode. Cathode is the negative side which can connect to the negative side of the circuit, and the anode is positive which can connect it to the positive side of the circuit. This arrow denotes the direction of current which can allowed by this diode. Only in this direction current can flow. So in this diagram current can only flow in this direction. It cannot flow in the other direction. Let's talk about the inner workings of the diode. So here is a internal diagram of a diode. There is one side has a semiconductor which have free electrons, and the another side semiconductor which have holes, and the free electron semiconductor called n-type and the hole semiconductor calls p-type semiconductor. Now we connect it to a battery, so the electrons will go in this direction and the holes are go to another direction. The hole's direction is similar to current's direction because hole is positively charged and they have flow direction opposite to the electron like current. The electron and holes are go to the junction. Connecting surface of p and n-type semiconductors called junction. So the electron and holes come to the junction and holes filled by the electron, so current can flow. Now let's connect it in reverse direction. Now the electrons are go this direction and the holes are go this direction, so that's not possible. So that's why the current cannot flow in this direction. There is a small voltage needed to cross the junction that called forward voltage of the diode. Normal silicon diodes have 0.6 volts forward voltage and germanium ones had 0.3 volt. Let's see a real life picture of a diode. So here is the picture and the positive and negative terminal. The white strip on the one side shows the negative side of the diode which can connect to the negative side of the circuit. So here comparison of the three pictures which can I show in this video. Now take a example. In this circuit, diode is connected to the right side, so current can flow in this circuit. But in this circuit, the diode is connected to reverse, so current cannot flow. Now let's take a real life example. Here I connecting the circuit on a breadboard. Here is the diode and the resistor and the LED. You can see the LED is glowing because the diode is connected to the right direction. Now you see the LED is not glowing because of the diode is connected to the another direction. Now I connect the diode in right direction. See, this strip is connected to the positive side of the circuit, so LED cannot glow. There are many types of diode out there and one of them is diode. The black strip is denote the negative side of the diode. So here is the symbol of a diode. Now let's take an example for diode. In this circuit, diode is connected in reverse. The LED is not glowing like a normal diode. Now let's see what happened when we increase the voltage. The voltage increased. Now can see the LEDs turn on because the diode allow current to flow whenever the zener voltage is crossed. So this particular diode had a zener voltage of 12 volts. So there is another kind of diode. This is light emitting diode which you can familiar with many times in real life. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.